All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card, get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. It's up a little bit today, down for the week, but up a little bit today. Go to their website. What's going on with Dogelon? Is this a good time to get in and recalculate your numbers and get in a better price position? We will see. Also, we're going to go to BUSD crop yield farmers at the end. Go over that. I'm doing pretty okay with that. Going to just share that with the viewers. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars, however you say it. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, this is fantastic to see everything on the left-hand side in the last 24 hours being green. Dogelon Mars is up 2% for the last 24 hours today on the Memorial Day Monday. By the way, all the veterans out there, thank you for serving our country. Thank you for doing what you do. Dogelon's down 9% for the week, but it's bounced back 2% for the day. Clicking it real quick. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 46.68. So not looking bad right here. If you take a look here, it's always fantastic during the bloodies in the streets over the last few weeks to see some coins bouncing back. So that's looking good in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, it's down. It went all the way down here for the last 7 days. But as you can see, it's making its way back up. So good job, Dogelon. Going over to their Twitter account. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me and together we'll reach the stars. Couple things. They got the Gloomy Bears going on right here, which is fantastic. In the first of many cross-universe collaborations, Dogelon has entered the Gloomyverse. Always good there. A few days ago, from the very beginning, our mission was to reach the stars together. Now we're one step closer to making that mission possible. Join the Martians, who will be driving force to change the universe, and we entered the final frontier. Everybody wants to go to the moon, but on the 16th, the moon wants to be Mars. If you take a look, there was a lunar eclipse, and it required no gear to see the passion and interest in being outside a clear view. So you could see the moon looking like Mars a few weeks ago. BB, what an amazing ride it's been on the world. Connecting, learning, and innovating with Dogelon Mars folks is our Discord community. So take a look at that. That's fantastic. And of course, right here, you love it. The true visionary, Elon Musk with Dogelon Mars Jr. right here, going to Mars. Over here at their website, Dogelon Mars, there's about 6 places. There's more than 6 places you can get it, but right on their website, Crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. Coming back to that, will the outlook of Dogelon Mars be positive after tagging this major support? So Dogelon Mars here, the recent bloodbath in crypto market has brought down the price in several projects to major support areas of the chart. Similar with Dogelon Mars, its price was tagged in an important support zone, one which historically led to positive price action. However, without whale reinforcements and retail interest, the outlook for Elon was still uncertain, bearish over the shorter term. Elon current price brings back memories of the volatility in March. During this time, Elon's downward trend continued for months until the price tagged to support range. The range led to reactionary buy phase, after which Elon climbed about 99% and hit a month high of 227. Elon was once again in a similar position. The price shifted south throughout April and had tagged the zone of May. Buy orders were already creeping up, and a couple of green candles formed on the daily charts. Usually these are signs of favorable price action. However, not all stars were aligned for Elon. For the coin, this was owned by a majority of the whales. One expected Elon's current level would generate some interest from larger holders. However, this wasn't the case. The whales still maintained a cautious outlook and were stockpiling Elon tokens during the April correction. At the price time, whales had 740 trillion tokens and was figured largely unchanged with these scenes in March and February and May. Meanwhile, retail traders hadn't jumped the gun either, although buy and sell traders were slightly higher, and the sell side trade wasn't enough on the chart to warrant a bullish. So is this going to be Elon? Is it going to bounce back? Remember, this coin is for intergalactic travel to Mars. With everything blood in the street, it's nice to see Elon is up right this second, which is fantastic. Let's go head over to BUSD Yield Farmers, and we'll come back to this in a second. All right, so the BUSD crop yield farmers. I invested a whole $269. Remember, you want to invest what you're willing to lose. I got an approved limit of $5,000. I'm making 2 days. I'm making $12 in 2 days, so I'm making about $6 a day. Right now, I have $4.17 I can withdraw, but I got to wait 8 hours before I can do that. Now, by the time I get to 8 hours, this will be around $6 or $7. I actually did plan 1, and I also did plan 4. In plan 1, I actually put 200 BUSD, as you can see. This is a 200-day lockup. You're not going to get your money back. You're going to get your rewards. The rewards are 400% ROI. So I did put a little bit more into that. It's got a minimum 30 BUSD and a maximum of 6,000. You get 2% a day. I also put $69 in plan 4, which is right here. You get 3.5% daily, a 40-day lockup. But again, you don't get your money back. You get your rewards. And the rewards are 140% ROI. You have to put a minimum of 60 BUSD in this and a maximum of 12,000. So if you look at my 2 contracts here, I put 200 in one and 69 in the other. A couple of things, anti-whale control features. There's a 48-hour cutoff time, 24-hour withdrawal down cool period, a 12-hour compound cooldown, max active deposit of 36,000, so you can't put more than 36,000 BUSD in this. A max withdrawal of $1,000 per day. So whales that want to put all their money in, they're only going to be able to get $1,000 a day. You got plan rewards, special event pools, project statistics, compound functions with a 5% compound bonus. Bonus is non-staking. This is an experiment DeFi farming app. Now this comes from the Crop Farmers team, which is fantastic. So again, what you want to do is put what you're willing to put in. Again, I'm averaging $12 in 2 days, so I'm making $6 a day. One of these are going to go for 200 days, and one of these are going to go for 40 days. So in 40 days, I'll be done with my first one, which is my $69 right there, 3.5%. All right, Barty, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. BUSD crop yield farmers could be a nice play. I'm not a financial planner. Do all your homework. All my information is for educational purposes only. But with a lot of things on the street being bloody, buying the coin and just holding it may not be the strategy people are looking for. They may be looking for some other things. The BUSD crop farmers, USDC crop farmers. I did pretty good so far in the crop farmer project, so this project seems to be good for me. All right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars. All right, again, I love seeing this coin actually up a little bit, 2%. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 46.76. We might as well ride the train, think it's going to go up a little bit. I think it's going to go to 48.76 with the 6 zeros. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. I'm documenting my DeFi journey on the internet with YouTube. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Do me a favor in the bottom. What are some of the projects you're liking? What are some of the projects you're looking into? Do you like the crop farmers? Is this a project you did like? Do you like this BUSD crop yield farmers? Does this sound like something you may be interested in? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here and I'll link the BUSD crop farmers. Click over here and I'll go ahead and link the USDC crop farmers. All right, everybody, holiday today. Again, veterans, thanks for serving. Everybody, you have a fantastic day today.